Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you about the secret sleeping spot in the forest in Heartopia. So in here, I just found one of the most unique resting spot in Heartopia, and maybe a lot of players completely miss it. First, just head to the forest area, more precisely at the camping area on this area. And then in here, just use your car or another vehicle that you have, and then you can just climb to this string light. And then in here you can see there is a sleep icon on here. You can actually lie down and sleep on of this light cable structure. Just tap on it, and just like that, your character will lying down and can relax while recovering energy without needing any foods on here. You can see it, and I think it's really unique spots to recover your energy. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.